Underneath the noise of daily headlines, something significant has just happened that caught global markets off guard. A currency most people outside Southeast Asia rarely talk about has suddenly forced investors, institutions, and analysts to pause and reassess. The Vietnamese dong has moved in a way that does not follow the typical emerging market script. What matters most is not how dramatic it appears on a chart, but what it quietly signals about confidence, preparation, and long-term strategy. This is where the story begins to matter far beyond Vietnam. Here at Dinar Stories, we focus on separating real structural shifts from short-term noise. This move in the Vietnamese dong firmly belongs in the first category. It did not appear overnight, and it was not driven by a single announcement or rumor. What we are witnessing is the visible outcome of years of groundwork finally expressing itself through price. For a long time, the Vietnamese dong remained largely invisible to global investors. It was stable, tightly managed, and rarely volatile enough to demand attention. That stability created mixed reactions. Some viewed it as reliability, others as stagnation, and many simply ignored it. The prevailing assumption was that nothing meaningful would happen. No sudden repricing, no major reassessment, no reason to look closer. That assumption is now being challenged. What is unfolding is forcing markets to rethink not only the currency, but Vietnam's broader economic position. And here is the part many overlook. Currencies do not strengthen like this unless the system behind them is prepared to handle the consequences. A stronger currency places stress on banking infrastructure, trade settlement systems, capital controls, and policy coordination. If those systems are not ready, instability follows. Markets are reacting because Vietnam appears prepared. Zooming out, Vietnam has spent more than a decade methodically strengthening its financial architecture. Banking reforms that seemed incremental at the time. Regulatory tightening that rarely made headlines. Digital payment systems that quietly reduced friction across the economy. Trade agreements that expanded access without destabilizing domestic markets. None of these actions felt urgent in isolation, but together they built resilience. When investors ask why this is happening now, the answer is not a single trigger. It is timing. Economic growth has been steady. Trade volumes have expanded. Foreign direct investment has increased. Supply chains have diversified toward Vietnam. At the same time, policymakers consistently prioritized stability over speed. That combination matters. Sudden currency strength in emerging markets is often treated with suspicion. Is it temporary? Is it speculative? Will it reverse just as quickly? These questions are valid. But short-term volatility and long-term fundamentals are not the same. What is supporting the dong right now is not hype. It is structural confidence. From a market perspective, a stronger currency sends a message. It suggests capital is comfortable remaining in place. It implies inflation is being managed credibly. It signals that external balances are not under immediate stress. Most importantly, it reflects confidence in governance. This is not just a Vietnam story. It forces a broader reassessment across emerging markets, adjusting expectations and risk assumptions. For people inside Vietnam, the implications are more tangible. A stronger dong can improve purchasing power, especially for imported goods. It can make savings feel more secure in real terms. It can reduce uncertainty for businesses that rely on foreign inputs. Over time, it can support wage stability if inflation remains controlled. None of this happens overnight, but direction matters. Digital financial infrastructure plays a critical role in this transition. When a currency strengthens, transaction volumes increase and settlement systems are tested. Vietnam's push toward digital banking and payments was not only about convenience, it was about scalability. Systems that can handle stress reinforce confidence. And that confidence feeds back into the currency itself. From an investor standpoint, this move validates a specific mindset: patience over hype, fundamentals over headlines. Emerging markets do not reward impatience, they reward preparation and timing. Not every opportunity announces itself loudly, and this is a clear example. At the same time, currency strength is not without challenges. Export competitiveness can face pressure. Domestic producers may see margins tighten. Policymakers must balance growth with stability. This is where discipline becomes essential. So far, Vietnam's approach has been cautious rather than reactive. Gradual reforms, close monitoring, and avoiding sudden policy shocks. That restraint reduces the risk of volatility and builds credibility. At Dinar Stories, we always ask a simple question. When something like this happens, what actually changes? In this case, perception changes. Vietnam is no longer viewed only as a low-cost manufacturing hub. It is increasingly seen as a maturing financial environment with a currency that reflects underlying progress rather than chronic fragility. That perception shift carries consequences. More long-term capital, deeper integration into global financial systems, increased scrutiny. Visibility cuts both ways. Regionally, other currencies feel the pressure. Investors compare trajectories. Risk premiums adjust. Narratives evolve. This is how a single currency move can influence an entire region. The key takeaway is not that the Vietnamese dong moved. It is why it was able to move without immediately undermining confidence. That distinction separates signal from noise. Markets are not reacting emotionally. They are recalibrating expectations. As this story develops, attention will focus less on price and more on behavior, how policymakers communicate, how capital flows are managed, whether confidence remains disciplined rather than euphoric. These signals matter more than short-term movement. For long-term observers, the lesson is clear. Stay informed. Stay patient. Stay analytical. Emotional reactions are costly. Understanding takes time. The Vietnamese dong's movement is a reminder that preparation eventually becomes visible. We will continue tracking these developments here at Dinar Stories, not through hype or speculation, but through behavior, consistency, and real structural signals. Because sustainable change is not announced loudly. It is built quietly, tested carefully, and recognized suddenly when markets finally take notice. Thank you for staying with us here at Dinar Stories. Stay grounded, stay informed, and remember, real financial changes take patience, preparation, and careful observation. Keep watching trends, not rumors, and let steady progress guide your understanding. We'll continue bringing you updates on currencies, global markets, and long-term developments that truly matter. Until next time, stay calm, stay aware, and stay connected to the story behind the numbers.